Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice with meat. First, prepare your ingredients. Cut your chosen meat, like chicken or beef, into small, bite-sized pieces. Measure 1 cup of your preferred rice, whether it's long grain white or brown. Finally, chop up some aromatic vegetables such as onions, garlic, and bell peppers. These will add a wonderful depth of flavor to your dish. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's start cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Add your prepared meat and brown it thoroughly for about 5 to 7 minutes, ensuring it's cooked through. Once the meat is nicely seared, add your chopped onions, garlic, and bell peppers to the pot. Sauté these vegetables until they become soft and fragrant, which usually takes another 3 to 5 minutes. This step builds the foundational flavors. Now it's time to combine everything. Add 1 cup of your uncooked rice directly into the pot with the meat and sautéed vegetables. Stir everything together for about 1 minute to lightly toast the rice. Then, pour in 2 cups of broth or water. Make sure the liquid fully covers the rice and meat. Bring the mixture to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer. This ensures even cooking. Finally, the home stretch. Let your rice and meat simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until all the liquid has been absorbed and the rice is tender. Do not lift the lid during this time. Once cooked, remove the pot from the heat and let it rest, still covered, for another 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the steam to redistribute, making the rice perfectly fluffy. Remember to check the description for the Owala water bottle link and other great deals. Fluff with a fork, garnish with fresh herbs, and serve your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.